Jai Jai Shri Sudarshana. Sant Bhanudasar was born as Surya Narayanan in Pradishtanapuram, now known as Paitani near Aurangabad during 15th century. He was blessed by Surya Narayana Perumal and received name Bhanudasar. Sant Eknath was great grandson of Sant Bhanudasar. Bhanudasar was the one who brought Vittal to back to Pandharpur from Hampi. The story goes so. Once, when Vijayanagara king Ramanayar visited Pandharpur, he was mesmerized by Vittal's beauty. He took Vittal along with him, built a temple, and requested Vittal to stay in his kingdom. During Egadasi, the devotees who reached Pandharpur were shocked to see Vittal was missing and felt very sad. Knowing this, Bhanudasar assured to bring back Vittal to Pandharpur. When he finally found where Vittal was and reached the temple in Vijayanagara kingdom, it became midnight. He requested Vittal to return back to Pandharpur. Now Vittal decided to have a play. Vittal presented his Tulasi Mala and his precious Navaratna necklace to Bhanudasar and told him to remain calm and be patient. Next day morning, the necklace was found missing and the search began. Finally, it was found with Bhanudasar, who was sitting near the Tungabhadra river. Now Bhanudasar was arrested for robbery and as per king's order, he was to be hanged. In this situation, Sant Bhanudasar showed no fear. He believed Vittal completely and he was singing, praising Vittal. The moment he was to be hanged, the rope untied itself. Bhanudasar felt happy, realizing now Vittal has decided to return back to Pandharpur. Vittal made the king aware of by saying, "Since you made my dearest devotee suffer, I am not staying with you." When Bhanudasar returned back to Pandharpur along with the Vittal, all devotees who were eagerly waiting were excited and they held a celebration by taking Pandurangan on chariot by procession, and their day was Kartikai Egadasi. With this event, Bhanudasar attained Mukti in Pandharpur. Till this day, every year during Kartikai Egadasi, celebration takes place.
हे नगर वैकुंठ पंढरपूर भूवैकुंठ पंढरपूर धन्य धन्य चंद्रभागा मध्ये पुंडलिका उभा मध्ये पुंडलिका उभा धन्य पंढरीचा वाचा देवगाय